Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we are discussing about DJI drone under $500. With long battery life, a robust wireless connection, and 4K video, the DJI Mini 2 is the best drone you'll find for less than $500. Level 5 wind resistance. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Enhanced transmission stability. OcuSync 2.0, 10 km transmission. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K/30 FPS video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Built-in OcuSync 2.0 allows DJI Mini 2 to adjust automatically between two frequencies, which extends Mini 2's max transmission distance to 10 km for even more flexibility. Improved camera performance. 4x zoom. DJI Mini 2 supports 4x digital zoom, providing more options. When recording family, friends, or pets, you can safely capture your subject without flying too close. 4K/30 FPS. DJI Mini 2 is capable of 4K/30 FPS video, offering higher quality footage for those looking for more professional-looking content. A bird's eye view of your holiday getaway is guaranteed to impress friends and family. More intelligent functions. DJI, circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang. Mini 2 features the same one-tap QuickShots as Mavic Mini and throws boomerang into the mix. 4K hyperlapse and panorama are also added to this new Mini 2 drone, making it possible for beginners to shoot Hollywood-level videos with ease. Trimmed download. By using trimmed download, users can easily cut out a segment of a long video to edit and download. Taking your time hunting for the perfect shot and worrying about insufficient storage is no longer a problem. Pros. 1. Stabilized 4K camera. 2. RAW and JPG photo modes. 3. Automated QuickShots. 4. Long flight time. 5. Stronger motors and connection than Mavic Mini. 6. GPS and other safety features. 7. No FAA registration required. Cons. 1. Still no color profiles for JPGs and video. 2. Omits obstacle avoidance and HDR. 3. Doesn't include active track or hyperlapse. So let's jump into commercial video.